They've asked me how to do it. It's really simple. So I'll be using a piece of card. Just getting you in focus. It's approximately 6 by 6 by 14.8. Okay. Just a cut off really, like tag size. The stamps I'm going to use are from the Sunny Sunflower set, and it's just this little one here. Okay. Inks I'm using, literally just the shaded lilac. You can use any, pale colour that you wish, not a problem. Got my blending brush to put my ink on, and I've got fine liner pens. I've got 3 there because they're, as far as I know, they're all waterproof. I'll probably be using that one, but you need it to be waterproof. And have a couple of watercolour pencils. Okay, and that's it. That's all the tools we need. So I'm going to start off by doing the shading. So I've got my shaded lilac. Let me just grab some scrap, dab on so I don't any blobs, and then literally just go over. Doesn't have to be perfect, because what we're going to do, we're going to sprinkle some water on to get that mottled effect. And it looks really good actually. So if you just bear with me while I do this. I've got a blob there, look, see? Okay, so that's that. Let's put the lid back on there. Okay, so I'm going to get my water bottle and just literally spray some water, and I've got a fan brush that I like to use, and then it's a matter of just dabbing it on. You can do it with a fan brush, or you can do it with your fingers. Dip your fingers in and just flick it on. Doesn't matter, whatever's easier. Just give it a second or two, to sink in. It's hard to see where it's taken, but what happens is the water will start to lift the ink that I've just put on. So give it another one. Just gives a nice effect. I'm going to get some kitchen towel. Actually, I won't get some kitchen towel. Bear with me. So give it a second. Then I'm just going to... There you go. Just put the kitchen towel on. So I've dabbed that off. So that's all that done. I'll give it a quick dry. So sorry about the noise, bear with. Obviously you can take a little bit longer when it's yourself. So I'm going to get my little stamp, and I'm doing a Wendy. I'm getting the lid off one of the inks. They make great little stamping blocks. Right, so let me just grab my Nocturne. I'm going to use some black Nocturne Versafine Clair. No, I can never remember which way up this is, so bear with. Yeah, I've got it. Okay, so I'm going to bring this back in. So, I don't know, about a third of the way, slightly to the left. Just give it a stamp. Okay. That's that done. And then we're going to dab that off. Make sure it doesn't smudge. Okay, so I'm going to get my pen now. And all I'm literally doing is just doing a couple of like a little fan movements with the fine line. Now it's a permanent pen. And then we're going to draw in this dainty butterfly. Now you don't have to be an artist. I'm not an artist. I haven't got a clue, honestly. So it's literally a circle of the head. Maybe slightly larger. And then it's almost like an S shape. And a little tail. And then just bring it round. Like so. And then you would colour that in. I'm just going to do it roughly, just to give you an idea of what you need to do. But obviously fill it in. As you can see, I'm not a drawer, no artist. Maybe slightly thinner than that. That one's a bit fat, actually. Okay. So I'm going to come in with my lilac. And I'm just going to do a couple of gentle strokes. Oh, I forgot the antennas. Bear with me. That's it. And we're going to do a couple of colours. So I'm going to shade very lightly just round the top curve. And do almost like you're trying to do a shooting star, maybe. Okay, I'm coming in with the blue, and again just lightly shade. I mean, you can add to this as you go along if you want a bit more colour, not a problem. Just, you know, come back with your pencil. Just kind of random. Random strokes. And then I'm going to come in with the water pen. And then literally just go over it. Now these are water pencils, obviously, so when you put the water brush on, it activates it. So you can have it as light or as dark as you wish. And you just literally just go over it, just gently. Bring this out. If you want to add some more, I'm just going to dab it. Because it's wet now, so it's going to come out a little bit deeper. The same with the purple. So I thought, I did the last one, I thought it was a little bit too dark actually, but maybe not. And that's it. That's all you do. Just very gently go over. Just to get that little effect, just to soften it all. And then, I forgot I need the green stem, don't I? I'm just going to grab a green pencil. Green pencil. Just a squiggly line. Then again, really lightly, just go over with the water, just to soften the line. That's all you need to do. And then, I'm going to come in with the pen, sorry, again. Just do some dots. Actually, I might put some more purple on this. Looks a little bit pale, doesn't it? Obviously, I'm time restricted, so this is just like a rough idea. You can have a play. I mean, they don't take long to do, to be honest. I just thought it was really, I saw it on Pinterest. It's not my idea. I'm not going to take credit. And I just thought, how lovely. Okay. And then I'll just come around with the dots. Just random. I mean, you can use different colours if you want. You can use your Posca pens, because they're quite pretty, Posca pens. Make some darker than others. And that's it really. There you go. Slightly different to the other one. Principle's the same though. Maybe a little bit more inks required on this one today. And that's it, guys. So I hope you've enjoyed it. Please have a go, and if you do, please, you know, post it onto the Facebook page. I'd love to see them. I'd be really delighted if someone had a go. He does look fat, doesn't he? Sorry, guys. Okay, so that's me for now. Speak to you soon. Bye.